Have you ever recorded a video on your phone only to realize later that the audio was completely ruined? It's frustrating, especially when everything else looks perfect. Well, Pixel 10 Pro 40 users are learning that this exact issue isn't caused by a bug or faulty hardware. It's all because of one tiny design tweak from Google. Here's the story. The Pixel 10 Pro 40 looks very similar to the Pixel 9 Pro XL on the outside, but Google made one small change that's turning into a big headache. They swapped the position of the bottom speaker and microphone. At first, that doesn't sound like a big deal, but in practice, it's causing right-handed users to cover the mic without realizing it whenever they shoot videos in landscape mode. The result? Muffled, poor quality audio that makes your video almost unusable. Now, to be fair, Google probably had good intentions. By moving the main speaker to the right side of the USB-C port, they made it less likely that you'll cover it while gaming, watching movies, or just holding the phone sideways. And that's great, no one enjoys watching a muffled YouTube video. But the unintended side effect is that the microphone now sits on the left. For right-handed people, that means your palm naturally rests right on top of it when filming. You don't even realize it's happening until you play back the video and wonder why the sound is so off. And this is what makes the problem so frustrating. It's not a software bug that can be fixed in an update. It's not even a hardware failure. It's just a design decision. And that means the only solution is to change how you hold the phone. The most effective workaround right now is to rotate the phone 180 degrees so your right hand doesn't cover the mic. But let's be honest, that feels pretty awkward, and not everyone will want to adjust their natural grip. The good news is, this isn't the end of the world. Most people today are filming in portrait mode anyway, especially with TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts dominating social media. In portrait mode, this issue won't affect you at all. Still, for those who love filming in landscape, especially for travel vlogs, events, or YouTube content, this tiny tweak could feel like a deal-breaker. Now, before we get too harsh, it's worth remembering that no phone is perfect. Every year, companies make little changes to improve one thing, only to cause another problem somewhere else. For the Pixel 10 Pro XL, this mic placement issue might just be one of those trade-offs. And with time, people usually get used to these quirks. After a few weeks, your brain adjusts, and you naturally find a new way to hold the phone without even thinking about it. What's interesting, though, is how something so small can impact the way people experience their phones. It's a reminder that design isn't just about making things look sleek. It's about how we actually use them every day. And sometimes, even a 1 centimeter change can completely alter the experience. At the end of the day, this isn't a disaster for the Pixel 10 Pro XL. It's still a powerful flagship with an incredible camera system and all the AI features Google is known for. But it is one of those things that can catch you off guard and leave you frustrated if you don't know about it ahead of time. So,